In this video, I'm discussing why companies pay recruiting agencies thousands of dollars to recruit for them. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like a popular dilemma for those who are thinking about starting a recruiting agency always has to do with trying to grasp the understanding of why companies would want to pay another company thousands of dollars in order to recruit talent for them. Well, there are a lot of reasons why the recruiting agency business model works and will continue to work for years to come. So in this video, I'm going to share my top 3 reasons why this continues to hold true even to clients that I have today. Reason number 1 is the fact that recruiting agencies have access to a vast talent network. Whether you have a large circle or even following on social media, or just know how to find talent and connect them to open requisitions, recruiting agencies have an edge when it comes to this. And speed is also an important factor here. So reason number 2 is the fact that recruiting agencies can deliver talent fast. Because of the vast talent network and the creative sourcing strategies that are always continuing to evolve, recruiting agencies can typically deliver candidates a lot faster than in-house resources. Now, reason number 3 is the fact that recruiting agencies, in particular staffing agencies, give companies the opportunity to try out candidates before they have to bring them on as full-time staff. In turn, this helps companies ensure that they're always bringing on the best talent because they've had an idea already to what performance they bring to the table. The staffing agency model also helps to reduce a lot of overhead costs. So companies save thousands, if not millions of dollars on healthcare, 401k, vacation days, and so much more. Ultimately, the key to understand here is that recruitment agencies bring a lot of value to companies. Companies hire recruiting agencies because they have a gap to fill within their organization. Ultimately, the relationship between companies as well as recruiting agencies is powerful and value add. And because of that reason, companies are willing to pay thousands of dollars for it. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week, as well as be sure to give me a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to join my Facebook group. If you have not already, I'll leave that link down below in the description box. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.